Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this Dalsuc portable space heater with 1000 and 1500 watts. Yeah, the brand name is Dalsuc, but I think there will be this space heater available from many different sellers this winter, so don't be confused about the name. It comes also with some heating instructions. By the way, I think it's called heater N6, you can see, so it's some kind of generic thing. I hope it's focusing more or less so you can read that, some of the functions and features, and here in the back also some important notes and some maintenance information. The special thing is that we have this charcoal light here. When I turn it on here in the back, you will see that. By the way, here it is how it's looking in the back. We have this small transportation recessed thing here, but it's very small. It's almost impossible to lift this. Yeah, the idea was really nice, but the implementation is not so good. By the way, here you can see also the specs. I don't know if it's focusing and you can see that, but it's not rocket science. It's just a space heater. It's suitable for 100 to 120 volts. It has maximum of 1500 watts. Here we have the airflow intake, and here we have the outflow. We have at the bottom we have these 4 soft rubber feet. We have this tilting function. If you tilt it more than 10 or 15 degrees, it will stop working. We have the 4 buttons. You don't have to long press, you just have to push short and then it will turn on or turn off. And when you start it, it will go automatically into first level, which is 1000 watts, but you can also change it to 1500 with a short press, and you can also turn on or turn off the light. It's actually more like just a turn off, because unfortunately the light won't work without the heating. I wished it would be possible to have just the light, but it's not possible. It only works when the heating is turned on. But here we have it now. Yeah, I have to press again. I hope it's still working. Yeah, turn down the light a little bit so you can see how this looks. I mean, it's a nice thing, it's a beautiful thing, but it's supposed to be 40 decibel only, and you can hear that it's rather loud. I think it's way above 40 decibel, so don't plan to use this in your bedroom to sleep or so. I think the light itself is really nice, really beautiful. Maybe I can even go a little bit closer here. So here you can see that, really nice, really beautiful how this looks. This is like a real charcoal fire. Definitely nothing to complain about the light here. And there's also a lot of safety built in. Again, when we tilt it more than 10 or 15 degrees, you can see it turns off. The fan will still keep spinning for around 50 seconds to move out all the heat inside. It's the same thing when you turn it off here in the back. It will also keep spinning for around 50 seconds, and same thing for the overheating. It doesn't have like a thermostat where you can select the temperature. The thing just keeps heating and heating and heating until the room temperature reaches 75 degrees, and then it will turn off. As far as I can see, unfortunately, it doesn't automatically turn on again. So let's say if you would sleep and it would reach 75 degrees and stop, and in the morning it would be still very cold because it doesn't turn on automatically again. And there's also another questionable thing, that's this sticker here on top, and I have to admit that I have no clue what it means. Prohibit override. Yeah, what does it mean? I have really no clue. I have tried to remove this sticker, and you can see it's a little bit difficult to remove. Yeah, there's quite some residue here. It's not a really nice thing. I think we can work on that, but probably it will be difficult to really remove everything without damaging that. I mean, I wouldn't use harsh chemicals or so. Maybe you can soak it with soap water or something like that. Maybe use some oil, but I've really no clue what this thing is for. If you have any idea what this could mean, then just let us know down in the feedback area. So it's a little bit difficult to give you some real advice here. It's an interesting device, but it has quite a couple of things which I don't like too much. It would have been a really nice thing with a couple of more features, like with a real thermostat or with the option to turn on the light only and with a little bit more quiet heating. Other than that, it's up to you to decide if you want to buy. If you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.